Hello friends, it's Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. I just made some beaver tails with the Italian ciabatta bread dough I bought from Costco. And here's how to make it. It's so easy and delicious. If you like it, I recommend you to try it too.
You can buy the dough by the boxful at Costco, as you can see.
We're going to make beaver tails with the ciabatta bread dough, Italian ciabatta bread dough we bought from Costco. These are the doughs I took out last night and just left them in the fridge overnight. Now they rised like double the size.
They're nice and puffy.
Yeah. And the way to do it is you just put some dry flour. They are kind of sticky, but that's okay. You just put on some dry flour. Otherwise it's just too sticky. Okay, this is one dough. I just press it to cut it into two, and I'll roll it. Well, you can either roll it or use your hand. I just use the rolling pin to roll it into a long. Okay, now let's put it in. I turn the temperature high a little. You just put the temperature 250. Don't make it too hot, and that way your house doesn't feel smoky. And you can see it puffs up very, very quick. Very, very nice.
I'm just using vegetable oil.
Yeah. And as you can see, the temperature of the oil is not very high. That way you don't get the burn and you don't get the smoke in the house. Otherwise it's too smoky and it smells all over the house. Just give it a stretch. It's nice, isn't it? Look at that.
It sure puffs up a lot.
Oh yeah. And you just wait till it turns to be brownish. I can put the temperature a little bit higher. I like this wok rather than my regular wok to be on the stove because it's very hard to control the temperature, and the oil temperature might get very high. Deep fried food is not very healthy, but this is just a treat and an experiment anyhow. As you can see, slowly it's turning brown. So I used two dough. I made 4 medium-sized beaver tail. Now I'm brushing some maple syrup on each one.
And we'll try some cinnamon.
This one I cut some slots in the middle, just to make it easy to cook. It doesn't take long to cook it. It's really nice, easy. I didn't let it cook for too long to make it too brown, because I think a light brown is just good enough.
Otherwise it might get a bit too crispy.
Yeah.
And it puffs up too.
A lot, yeah. And some cinnamon. Oh. That's it. Munch.
Yeah, homemade beaver tail.
Yeah.
A Canadian thing.
Okay, now it's beaver tail tasting time. Munch.
And I'm the guinea pig again.
You're the food taster.
Mmm.
Sounds very crispy. What do you think?
Pretty crunchy.
What about the taste?
Well, I like it. I like the maple syrup on it
Yeah,
and the cinnamon.
yeah,
It's a good combination.
yeah.
It's as you can see it in here,
Yeah,
it's pretty crunchy.
yeah. Well, this is only one option what you can make with that dough. It's to your imagination and exploration. Thank you for watching. See you next time.